Welcome to another episode of our project today. I'm Deniz and I'm here with Ejnas. Today we're going to talk about our adventure to the UK. So recently we went to the UK to attend Bett Show 2019, one of the biggest edtech fairs in the world, together with our sister team, Team 7742.
Yeah, and on our first day of fair, we gave a speech to dozens of people telling our story, our STEM-based activities, and some other achievements related to Q story, and some other projects like STEM Kit and Science Track.
So together with us, we brought the STEM kits and the Q robotic arm to display them and tell our story. We handed out the STEM kits as well, and we asked people to send photos of them while doing them, and we received lots of photos, which was a great feeling for us.
Yeah, and also we had a chance to meet many people from different countries, different cultures, and from different fields of work. For example, we got the chance to meet people from Google and Microsoft and exchange some ideas on STEM and the future of education. And also, the Minister of Education of Azerbaijan came to our stand and we had a great talk together and discussed about how the future's education should be.
So we got to go to the Platinum Lounge there of Edmodo. Edmodo invited us there, and we got to see how the inner works of Edmodo are. So it was great. We got to meet great people, and we thank once more the Bachelor Faculty of Educational Sciences for letting us come with them to this fair, because it was great.
Yes.
That's about it for today.
See you soon with other experiences. Bye.
See you next time.